Katanat kakot kakhiya menta kawad ki Khynnah bahapo sansnam kerta ki bampat pendap ya kajing Tika Lyngba ka intensified mission Indranush kabala bu ban sedang nadu ka nyau tarik hadu khar tarik menta ubanai haka kela baningkong. Haba pensai sigila pathai khubor halor kajing kong san jogate ka Tika mission director NHM Ram Kumar ulong ban penurlong don kam kajing snok tilut jong baro kentup nadu ki tenat sorkar kinong yalam snong patwat kilat pathai khuboru. Nakaliang ka Dr. Valerie Lalu kumju ka kong Georgina Lamare naka UNICEF kila banjur ya kajing snok tilang jong kilat pathai khubor ban pensai pat ba ahlor katika Tika naga benta ka kot kakhia jong ki khallung Khynnah.
People, we need to engage, the overall health system has to gain confidence of the public. I agree with that, I don't deny that. But as I kept saying, that cannot happen only with health department. It has to be a collective responsibility, education, rural development, media, religious fraternity, all of them have to talk about it. We need to talk through science, through objectivity. Only then we will be able to take this kind of vaccination programs ahead. I totally accept the opinion what you have said in terms of there are still areas we are doing door to door, we are taking the now. So that's why we are building now what is called as village health councils. We have village health councils now, VHCs. Based on the COVID learning, during COVID we had community COVID management teams. That we have converted today into village health councils. So through the councils, we want to have constant discussion with our community members through their leadership itself, so that we can make this a conversation.
IMI. What is this IMI? Intensified Mission Indranush. It's nothing but a subset of routine immunization. Kemudian routine immunization nilai anak kapur. Mentah nilai saka Intensified Mission Indranush. Kemudian ba nilai buat terbang ni kini Khynnah kiba menjual vaksin menu. Kila ba laju yo teng isim sidus ardus eno. Lani kipa jual tam kawairu. Lani kim trei tang sidus namar kidan kitau mo bangin la lesing imtet balik katau tamba kim wan shakman. So in this IMI we are going to concentrate on these left out children, drop out, that means they have left the system, they took only one dose, 2 doses and never taken anymore. And so these children are still susceptible to diseases because they haven't got the full protection that is offered by that vaccine. Yeah.